Hi, it's Copacetic Cruising, and I'm back today with a unboxing video. This one's about D23. So I signed up for D23 back in February of this year, and it took a few months, I think 3 or 4 months, and then I finally got some stuff for the membership. I signed up for the Gold Member Choice Plan, and I'm going to show you what I got today. All right, I'm going to get to opening. So first off is this D23 Gold Membership Kit. Let's see what's inside. So it looks like I got a cool little Goofy and Max D23 Gold Membership magnet. It's pretty cool. Then I got a D23 Gold Membership Savings Passport. It's got some different it's like coupons and different things inside. Different places to save while I'm on Disney property. Let's see what's up next. All right, I got a pin. Looks like it's Stitch for D23. My wife really likes Stitch, so I think she'll probably steal this one. It looks like it came with an Iago Lorcana card. I don't play Lorcana. I do have a few of the cards, and they look great. I love the artwork. I need to learn how to play the game, though. But I like collecting. So that's pretty cool. And they got the D23 Gold card, another one with Stitch on it. Got a fan club letter here from D23. All right, let's see what else they got. Oh, awesome. This is a big, fat coffee table book. The Happiest Place on Earth, The Incredible Story of Walt Disney's Disneyland. I've been looking forward to this one. They had a D23 video on a lot of this book and what it took to make this book. And I was so excited to be able to order this with my D23 membership. I can't wait to look into this, but it's supposed to have some really great pictures and information about Disneyland, past and present. I'm so excited to just dig into this and start reading it. Huge Disneyland fan. Looks like we got one more thing to open. All right, had to grab some scissors. Taped up. This one's taped up pretty good. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's my plaque. Look at that. Just like you're walking into Disneyland there. Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. Oh, that's a really nice quality too. It's got a hook on the back ready for you. Oh yeah, that's going up. That's going up in the office. Cool. Well, I think that's it. I think that's it for today. I think that's all I got, but I was looking forward to opening that for a while now. I'm so excited that I got it. And I'm an official D23 Gold member. If you like seeing Disney content, and also I do a lot of cruising and travel vids, please like and subscribe. See you next time.